Dude, he's bonking me in the back of the head. What the fuck is that? That was genuinely horrifying. What is going on, guys? It is Jack here, all the NDD, and we are back playing some more Team Fortress 2 Classified. That is a real throwback with the old things going down. And we're going to be playing the heavy weapons guy with this new anti-aircraft cannon. One of you guys actually dropped a comment and asked me to do this, so I'm going to try it out. We'll see how we get on, and I hope we have a bit of fun with it. So it fires explosive shells instead. Mini crits targets launched airborne by explosions, grapple hooks, or rocket packs. So you can kind of team up with you know, your kind of soldiers, your demos, and try and snipe people out of the sky. It actually does have a so it has an like an air horn sound. That's actually okay. I love the explosion effects, by the way. They seem new. They definitely seem a lot different to the OGTF explosions. What's this guy doing? Yeah, let's see what this guy's doing. This is it's a nice looking game, honestly. I still stand by Team Fortress 2. Looks beautiful. But we're going to see how we get on. But yeah, as always, guys, do subscribe if you're liking these videos and let me know if you want to see more, because I am having a bit of fun with Team Fortress content. Any other games you want me to play as well, do let me know. But while I'm having fun, I don't think there's any trouble. I also heard apparently my theory on the nail gun was correct. It does do a bit more damage, which was nice to know. So it is powerful, but we'll see how we get on. We're probably going to get nuked straight out of spawn. Here I can see there's a couple there. Oh god. Okay, let's try and let's see how we get on. Okay, have we got anyone? Which side are we dealing with here? Oh good god. Oh my word. What is going on there? Okay, I just got hit with something big. I don't know what that is. I feel we need to get out of spawn here, right? Okay. Oh my word. Oh my word. Okay. Wait. That's my moan. Okay. I feel like I'm just going to get twatted with a fucking arrow any second. So, we got a medic here. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, that's a good man. Okay, that soldier's firing that rocket. That arcing rocket, which is a bit of a different one. I think we're doing okay here. I'm in a shotgun for now. I think it's the cart keeps like holding me back, and I keep thinking there's like a spy near me. But we're gonna hold this. Oh boom! That was a good shot. This is nice. I swear I don't know if someone can verify this, but it feels like, you know, maybe that's the point, believe it or not, Team Fortress Classified, but it feels more like the original Team Fortress in terms of graphics, because I know before they added hats they had a lot more particle effects and the like, and this feels a lot cleaner. So yeah, okay, we're going to avoid that. Okay, let's see how we get on. Oh, the range is already kind of screwing us over a bit here, right? Let's see how we get on. Oh, someone's just died somewhere. Alright, there we are. Oh man, oh, I got a spy there. There's a spy. Oh my word, okay. There was a spy, there was about 50 different nukes. I don't know if that was a new grenade launcher or not, because that something blew me out. I know there is a new grenade launcher as well, but I think it doesn't do any damage, or it sort of, I think it's an EMP. Oh, this isn't good. Come on, get it fixed. Oh, this is going to take me an age. Alright, we're going to... 3 things went down there. Oh, okay, I think they've just updated the logos, because that zapper is not new. Let's see how we get on. Come on. Let's get this medic. Let's go, Mr. Naramoon, let's do it. Let's just go, yeah, I agree. Okay, oh, okay, that's a... What, is there a spy? What's up? Let's see what's going on over here. I'm not sure on the range on this bad boy. I've got to be honest with you. Oh, I get messed up. Okay, the damage is good, but the range is very limiting here. Okay. There really is a limit in the range. All right. Oh god. Yeah, see, we're not even... I think they might need to up the range slightly. I don't know. Maybe I'm really wrong here. But it feels... Oh, good. Look, this guy can't even hit me, right? And the heavy is already, oh my word, you're already so slow as a heavy. You don't really need to like be so limited on range. I've not really seen how much damage it really can do. I mean, I think a direct hit seems to do about 64, but you know, I'll see. We'll see. Someone is asking for a scramble. Maybe at the end of the game, mate. Let's try and get the win first, because this last point is usually quite notoriously hard to cap. But we'll see. 4 of 7. I don't know what that means, but let's see. Oh god, there's a. Okay, there was a scout there. Oh. Oh no. Wait. Oh god. Darn, okay, I was just getting nuked there. I mean, I don't know what the strat is with this thing, right? I don't know if I'm meant to just aim for airborne people. I think it's a fun weapon. I mean, I definitely think this is... It changes up the heavy a bit. I do think they maybe need to increase the range a touch. But then again, I guess maybe I'm just really bad with it and it's broken. But it feels like the heavy already can just do damage short range, right? Like, so I don't know if that's really fixing a problem. I like the idea of putting able to pair up more with it. See like that? See like there? God's sake. See like there, for example. I think I hit him with like 3 bullets. I swear, if I had the minigun, he would have been dead. It would have been half a second of pure shooting at him. Chippy chips. Okay, that's a good meme actually. That's a very British meme. There's 2 of them. Oh god, and they've got the. Okay. Oh, nice. Okay, bye. Goodbye. Dude, I'm. Okay. Okay, go on. Let's get this push done. Oh god, there's a. Oh, pyro. Go on. Is the bomb dropped? Okay. I played the aircraft heavy, and we won immediately, right? So, and I got top points. I'm MVP. I'm the GOAT with 5 kills. I mean, obviously, right? Who can't? Okay, so scramble, vote scramble. Let's. I feel like we did win this, so let's vote scramble. Let's do that then. Let's mix it up. Let me think. Do I want to go minigun round? Do I want to see what else have we got as the heavy? So I need the sandwich, by the way. I don't know why I'm not that quick. I love my sandwich. Chekhov's punch on hit. Store a critical hit on the wearer. Take crits and melee damage. No random critical hits. So when you punch someone, you get a crit stored. Okay, that's quite cool actually. How do you use it? Is it just a case of it instantly gets used? I don't know. Let's see how we get on. We'll do a few more minutes of this aircraft heavy. Although we did have a successful round, to be fair, and you know, you can have too much of a good thing, and I think that was a lot of luck in there from me getting top, and we win the game. Although, look at the point sharing. Look at that. A lot of 15s, 16s, 22s. You know, this was a team effort, and that medic Narrowmoon, that was the one, man. Let's see what we got here. This is. It's satisfying. I just feel like oh god, okay, this is not a good spot. I feel like we really need a let's go, bro. Oh mate, oh, you're in trouble now, mate. Oh, look at that. I mean, that's just that's cool. What is this? Oh, is this like some new? Oh, there's like an AOE Uber thing. I know they added that in. Oh, no, 34. So. How much damage am I actually doing here? I don't feel like it's much. Dude, he's bonking me in the back of the head! What the fuck is that? That was genuinely horrifying. I don't like that. I don't like that image at all. I hate that. So, I got 5 points. Oh my god, look at all the points in the bottom left as well. This is just like old Team Fortress 2. Skial, was it called? SKIAL? Back in the day when you used to have the server browser? Okay, this is making me feel like I'm a kid again in 2009. That is fun. Let's go. Come on, Mr. Cap Cole. I love you, Cap Cole. Oh, you're fucked. Alright. Oh, yeah, you're fucked. Where's that doc? Where's the man with my coffee? Where's the doctor? Please, doctor. I beg of you. Please. Okay, so he's got like AoE here. Okay, cool. So it's like firing on the. Okay, I'm gonna mess this heavy up. I've got some shots on him. Come on, you've got to go. He's got to go down. Okay, that was pretty good. Okay, that's the AoE Uber. Is there a? Oh my word, there's a level 3 there, bruh. Okay, I'm gonna use this rock. Okay. Oh my word. This is not a good game for them. They've got 2 minutes to get to this point. This medic is carrying Capcol. It's a beast. So shout out to Capcol, absolute legend, mate. You're doing God's work. That sniper's trying to get a look at me. This Capcol is the only reason I'm able to do any work. Oh, we got the sentry. Wait, no. Oh, that's the Capcol we got. Come on, go down. How much? Okay, there we are. Okay, I was gonna say, how many bullets? Oh god. Okay, they've got an arc. It's just like worms. That is so sick. Okay. Oh no. That's the advantage of that new rifle. That was a very quick headshot. I love the arcing rocket. It looks really aesthetically pleasing. It looks sick. I don't know if it's useful, but then again, that it kind of just proved my point, right? He could just safely sit back and just arc. But that reminds me of Worms, if anyone remembers Worms back in the day, with the sort of arcing your rockets and watching them slowly fly forward. Okay, they've got a minute and a half on the clock. We've got to try and hold them. I need to get back to my medic. Okay, so medic, I've got your back, bro. I've got your back. This is my boy, Capcol. Come on, bro. This is my guy right here, Capcol. He left. No. Well, look, if we now lose, I declare that medic Capcol leaving is the cause of all of this. Okay. But we're gonna sit on this point and we're gonna try and hold. Oh my word. I was never living through that because I got stabbed in the back and shot in the... That would be such a painful death. And shot in the head at the same time. My feelings on the RPG thingy, the anti-air heavy, it is a fun weapon. It's definitely a fun weapon. I think it could do with maybe a slight bit more range or something. I don't know. I feel like, for example, when there was me versus that heavy, if he had the minigun... and I killed him and I landed, I think, 6 or 7 shots in him, right? I feel like if he had, you know, like, direct hits, because it seems fairly narrow, there's not a ton of splash with this. I'm doing like 11, 12 damage with splash, right? Like, it's not much damage. Oh, the spy sitting on the point, bro. But, yeah, I feel like if they're going to cap this, yeah. I feel like if I had the normal minigun, which I'm going to test now for the sake of argument, maybe they've like changed the way the minigun damage works, but it just feels that you could do more consistent damage with the minigun. I do not deny it is fun. It is a fun weapon, but I want to try this one, and I also want to try slapping someone in the chops with this crit weapon. But I just think you can do a lot of damage from range here. Like, look. Already we really are going to suffer without this medic now, by the way. We've lost our medic. Yeah, we've lost Capcol, which is why the team failed. So we didn't renew his contract, and we're gonna suffer for it now. Let's see how we get on. Oh, okay. Let's see if we can shut this angle up here. All right, hang on. We've got to get this. Right, I'm gonna hop on this point here. That was nice. That was a heavy pouncing. Oh, I'm having a little nom. Nice. Look at that. See what I mean? Look. This is just... Okay, that's a sniper. But, like, that's what they're competing against. And I appreciate not everything is about effectiveness, right? They're meant to be side grades. But I feel like with the range, maybe a bit more damage or a bit more splash damage would be really nice for heavy. Because right now... he can mow down people, you know, really quickly. Which, by the way, I'm loving the look of firing the minigun. Looks so nice. Again, loving those old effects. They're much nicer. Oh, okay. We really could do with that medic here, but like, just okay. Just absolutely shutting this corner down. A little sandwich break, a little snack. Okay, and back to the front line. They seem to have changed it as well. The sandwich needs to be in unlimited use, but I imagine this is going to be when it released sandwich, which is, it does... Look, this heavy, is up against a minigun, right? And he's just have to retreat because he's up against a regular minigun and he has no chance. I don't think this fully heals anymore, this sandwich. I think I actually read that. So it's unlimited use but only 120 HP, which is... Like, in this close range? Okay. Oh, good God. Right. I mean, I think we're holding on this front line pretty well, right? Applejohn, this is the guy. Applejohn's the hero as well. Mr. Engineer Heavy. The medic and the engineers, they're the ones that are doing the Lord's work here. Oh my word. Okay, that Uber thing's there. This is not good. Okay. Vote next map. I will not be playing one more today, but I will vote because I'm just that difficult. There we are. There we are. One more goes down. Okay. We're doing some good work. We're doing work as the Heavy, to be fair. Look at that face. He's happy. He's got his sandwich. What is hitting me? Oh, up top. Okay. Oh, God. Right. I'm going to go up. Oh, God. We've got to, yeah. We've got to stop this. I mean, you just do so much damage. Oh, God. The fucking hell, my ears. Alright. Let's see. Oh, man. I don't know if they've changed the damage on their... Right, Philemonico, with the Sonic OG logo, has been just haunting me this entire game. But 8 seconds, I can get back there, and I think I'll be able to get on top of this. I think we can hold this down. Just keep that bloody teleporter up. Spy around somewhere? No. Oh man, I don't know if is it my connection? I don't know that. Nice. Yeah. But that is very laggy looking. But hey. Is it a hit scan? I have heard things about hit scan. Maybe that's why. But hey, do you know what? That was good fun. Well, as I said, thank you very much whoever it was the comment. I'm going to look that one up actually. Do you know what? I'm going to look it up right this second because I do want to give a thanks. But yeah, I had a lot of fun with Team Fortress Classified here. To be honest with you, it's been really fun playing it. So hopefully you guys are enjoying the videos. You know, I'm sort of putting them out for fun at the minute. I'm testing the waters. I'm seeing what you guys are enjoying, what I'm enjoying playing. If you've got any ideas for what I could play on this game, what weapons combos or what classes to play, do let me know because I'm up for trying anything. Obviously, just hopping in for a game. And if you guys want to add me on Steam and hop into a game with this, I won't be doing it on mic, but it's you know, it's a lot of fun to have people in the game there. Like with the medics and stuff and having a good bit of team play going on. And it was Super HC0. So thank you for the comment and the suggestion. I'm glad that you enjoyed the video as well. I'm probably going to do some nail gun brick gameplay with the Scout again, mainly because I just want to use the brick again. But yeah, that's my thoughts on the game. I had a lot of fun with it. Hope you guys enjoyed. Subscribe if you are enjoying the videos and let me know in the comments what I should do next. And as always, take care, everybody.